Guys, wala naman nagbigay ng lechon eh. Binili namin. Kumbaga, nakabili kami dahil sa drop lang din nila. Pero hindi, yung my day ko lang yun, hindi siya parinig. Wala po nagbigay ng lechon sa amin.
Pasta and stay on.
Sabi, bakit ako nagpaparinig sa my day ng cravings ko pero wala man lang nagbibigay? Thank you, Verly.
Champurado tayo na. Champurado.
Binili natin last time na yun. Quick live lang ako guys kasi nagpapahinga talaga ako.
Bumili na lang ng alam sa'yo. Bumili na ako ng Hershey chocolate na zero. Bakit?
There's an owl there.
Baby mo?
On our popular insider.
Kumain ka na ng tinapay eh. Ayun na. Ayun na. Oh. Sarap. Tawad na niyan. Ako. Tawad naman mo.
Bakit?
Ah, pwede.
Kahit mag-coke ako, hindi ko nga kaya ubusin isang baso. Thank you guys!
Yung mga picture natin na nakalagay sa
Okay, let's go. I'll see you in Manila. I'll see you in Manila. So guys, that's going to be and next week, let's go to Dorna and Auntie Almers and everybody back here.
Thank you guys!
So guys, wait for that. See you. Hi guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos, and if you want to watch more videos, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. And cut.
Hindi nagpapaabot na abot yan. BP ka ulit mamaya ng lola.
Tapos kumain, BP.
Ngayon, baka makain ako ng lito. BP ka rin. Tama.
Ang bigla ako. Ang sakit sa tiyan.
Ako kiniligas.
Uy, ang dami. Thank you, Adi. Thank you, love.
Saka yung gatas niya. O yan. Sensitive na agad ako.
Nagusot agad.
So because of this video is purely for entertainment.
Thank you, love. Gawa naman yung kiss. Thank you, Danny. Thank you, love. Thank you, love. Thank you.
Dito na. Tingin. Yan, sir. Ano yun lang pala? Anim. Ano pa yan? Anim pa yan.
So we're now in the gear and I'm getting excited. Did you see the silver syrup, Karen? Oh, I can see.
Uy! Oh, thank you, Ma.
Ano yun? Bago ata yun.
That's our goal.
Diamond tree. Thank you, Carlo
Guys, are you
Joseph.
excited? Tootsie Roll. Are you excited? Okay, guys, we're not going to be here. And of course, we're so excited. Okay, go. Here. So, okay, now.
Ayaw niya yan.
Okay, they're going to the boat now. Phil, how are you doing? It's hot.
Si ano, nagmamiyaw-miyaw na.
Kumain ka na. Everyone, oh, God. Yubo! Papihan mo si ate mo. Chinicheck. Oh my God. Yuri. Okay, thank you. Yuri. Okay, Lot now is in the Antigua News. Why? Start na to.
Mari ka muna.
So we're all set. Hello, Antigua.
Ay, thank you, Kasminati.
Okay, we're all set.
Ha? Gusto mo yung ala?
Are you ready? Very ready. Finally, he's riding the big boat.
Palusot ka lang eh. Hoy ah!
Balat ka lang.
Hoy ah, ang dami ha.
And we are so
Ano ko? Mataba pero balat
Thank you, mahal. Thank you, love. Saya na yung baby.
Naku, excited na. Oh my God. Nakikipag-usap na sa Pinoy. I'll meet you later daw.
Buo pa to.
So, okay, this is it. We're getting
Thank you, every girl. Thank you, Danny. Thank you, love.
Okay, let's go to the concierge. Are you happy that mom brought you? Okay, good.
Thank you, love. Thank you, mahal.
I'm excited to
Thank you, Danny.
Napitano.
Thank you, guys. Ito, oh.
Oh my God, idol ko po si Madam.
Sige, papatikin mo pero walang sauce, ha?
Lot, asan ang tsa ako?
Thank you, Ate Vince. Thank you, Danny.
Oh my God, they're all on there. Lot. Finally, I saw you guys na lot.
Thank you.
You work here. Yes, that's my bar. Oh, you own the bar. Yes. Oh my God, I will give you the best cocktail. Okay.
Give me the best.
She's all the best.
Thank you, mahal.
Extraordinary from their life. Where's the Hermes? Lot.
Thank you, love. Thank you, mahal. Ito siya.
Stay in the middle. My pleasure.
Lumapa na yung buhok ko.
I'm Rush, honey, the engineer in
Baka eh, habang.
Guys, malutong-lutong pa yung balat nung dumating.
engineer na for math, and my daughter, she's going through her own
Punta ako ng bar mamaya.
not working. No, but I'm pupunta doon si Pampang. I take care of my kids.
Kasama yung jowa niya.
Absolutely. This is a welcome drink for Madam.
Jeffrey here.
This is made of a fresh squeezed lime.
Sila Reynal pupunta, alam ko eh. Si Mitch pupunta kasama yung crush niya.
And of course, it's one wine and I make it up the delicious one for Madam.
Mitch siya.
And of course,
Oh my God, is this
pink bottle.
Guys, punta kayo mamaya ah.
I cannot walk it. It's for Madam.
two right here?
522. 523.
Nag-yellow siya.
Learning it from me. This is the
I told you the bar.
thing.
Okay, if I want Dom Perignon, can you give me?
Don't your yes.
Okay.
Ayan yung asawa niya. Parang mukhang foreign, mukhang inchik.
Okay, this is our room. I want to upgrade sana para bigger.
Pero hindi pure, ano lang, nasa lahi lang. Ay, or half ba? Ano Tagalog yung asawa niya eh. Dito lumaki, kumbaga, ano yata.
Tignan mo yung mga dami, napakadami.
For 10 days pa lang siya.
Ikaw din, ang dami mo lot. Oh, you can put some, packaging shoes, you can put all the pouches there. Okay, or doon na sa drawer. So, okay, yan for the next how many days? 10 days. And then, iba na sa drawer. Sleeping outfit. So, okay, magpa-plancha tayo. Pa-service ka na lang sa butler, sabi mo, magpa-plancha tayo. Okay. Okay, and this is...
Anong bansa? Anong bansa yan? Thailand lang, nasa Portugal.
Parang ano?
Ship? Nasa ship sila?
It's something would you like to have in your suite?
Yun yung mismong hotel. Pero hindi umaandar. Kumbaga, andun lang.
Ay, naka-stay lang. Floating hotel?
Oh, parang...
Goya! Yabo! Yabo!
Thank you. We need like sneakers. Thank you. What he was doing. Oh my God.
Kamukha ni Alison yung tatay
Okay,
niya.
cheers, PJ. Let's
Na?
cheers. Cappuccino's here. Okay, cheers. Oh wow, what a nice, I think show the kind of lot.
Live lang guys. Walang charge yung phone. Saka nagre-rest talaga ako dito sa baba.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Kahit maka 5K lang tayo bago mag-end. May sira yung camera ko guys. Makakala nyo may tuldok sa cellphone nyo. Hindi. Sa cellphone ko po yan. Thank you Raisa. Thank you love. Ay, si Raisa. Si Becca pala to. Si Raisa ka pa.
Ganda.
Veranda.
Pag si Ubo yung gumagan sa kanya, hindi siya nang hindi siya gumagano. Oh, wala.
Boy niya kasi gano'n niya to eh. Kalakihan niya na eh.
Pero pag si Yuki, OA sa OA, sumigaw si
Ganyan pala niya.
Oo.
Sobrang pogi naman ang
Pabebe na oh. Marte na.
pogi naman yan.
Lahat kami kinakagat yan kanina sa sobrang inip.
Pogi naman ang baby ko.
Basta may kulang sa bahay.
Sabi ko, andiyan na si Daddy. Talagang ano siya. Taranta na. Sabi ko, joke lang. Kinagat na ako.
Kabango mo lagi, no, Yubo? Bango ikaw lagi. Kabango lagi ng baby.
Mabango, di alam paano umihi sa ano. Nang tama.
Bukal sa sana, kamat. Nakita ka din, nakamat mo sana.
Tapos hindi niya alam, nakalabas yung patotoy.
Nerds yan. Hindi, malaki na lang sa kanya. Inipitan ko lang. Pero kaya
Hinihila niya kasi, nangangati kasi siya.
Pogi, ah.
Ayaw niya masyadong nakasikip.
Mukha talagang baby, no? Baby yan eh. Baby Ubo. Baby Ubo ko yan.
Pag pala talaga dito sa baba, hindi siya makatulog. Lahat ng naririnig niya sa baba, pinakikiramdaman niya. Hindi siya nakakatulog ng
walang
bahay.
gate ako ng bahay. Yung gate niya ito sana parang
Tingin ng chan.
Okay. Siyempre, of course, dapat may food. Pwede kasi ipapasexy ako dito. Mag-i-t-shirt si Mom. Kasi ako, dito pa lang. Sinipin ka with baking shoot na lang. 1 year lang.
Ay, ba't masama yung show na naman?
Anong sabaw to?
May pinasingata sa ano.
Anong sabaw yan? This one.
Thank you, Becca. Thank you, love. Sino ba sila?
Oh my God.
Sibuyas yata.
Yung salay, parang pinakulong salay. Hindi, yan pa rin yun, yung dad. Ayan, no.
This is international bowl. Look! Are you happy?
Uy, ano to? Di mo kinanto.
Yung balat.
Huwag mo nang papakain sila.
Balolay na lang. Yung nasa iyo! Taraget! Pag ikaw ha.
Unat na yun talaga, Lola.
And si Lot napaka-excited.
Buhuli ka.
Phil, it's so hot there. I don't wanna go up.
May comment. Pwede daw ba pakis si J-Mark? Ay, ano nga halikan mo yung pet namin?
Lot, maraming iba-iba.
Wag na,
kasi
pati pet namin, bakit?
sasakyan ng seaman. Ito, luxury.
Ito na lang halikan mo.
Pati ako tuloy na
Ito yung halikan mo.
Lot, kahit anong order mo dito,
Ito, ililipstick ka talaga.
Halikan mo.
Nagkating ka talaga.
dito ka lang. Tapos
Kiss mo yung puwet. Aray ko.
Kiss me. Pataas mo
Ano mang ano yung live ko, ma? Wag na, yun yung live ko.
Pagtiyo mo. Ma'am.
Sa baba, pizza and burger, okay? Ako, si Lot, nakikita.
Parang-
Yung itlog na yubo.
Pinkish yan.
Parang barel.
Itlog na lang ni yubo.
Pinkish yan po ito mo.
Hindi siya gumagalaw.
Pogi kaya neto. Sailan ka ba?
Main daw sa nakaitim. Hoy, di kayo talo niyan.
Dali lang.
Ikaw daw.
Item lang.
Ay, di ba yun?
Item ba?
Oh, okay, wow. So it's fresh. It's fresh. Wow. Is this a Scampanelli? Or how do you call this restaurant?
Aw.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay, let's go
love.
up. So, pizza
Thank you,
upstairs?
April.
Okay. Pool. Pool grill. Pool grill. Okay, let's go up, Doc. Ma'am, sobrang init tayo sa kapupunta. Oh, yeah. Si Ma'am, she wants to go upstairs and see everywhere.
Sino ba si Love?
Hello, see?
Sino si Love po?
Hello, of the country of
Balik na daw sa bar. Sabi ni Ate Pink, sino ba si Love? Ano
Punta?
pa?
Pumunta ka ngayon mamaya?
Sino ba si Love?
Eh, di ko lang.
boat, not on the plane, only on the boat.
May picture.
Are you in the Philippines? At Bohol. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Thank you, love.
Not. Excited. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Gelato.
Thank you.
Chocolate.
Rebo, siyo po.
Sino mo hindi pa na-office no selling?
Yung ko nangyari.
Ma'am.
Papa cute.
Wala, hawakan ito na.
Yoko.
Hindi, karapitin mo lang.
Kakagatin na naman yung damit niya.
Aamin na naman ako kasi.
Hindi, karapitin mo lang. Karapitin mo lang.
Kanina.
Bukit pizza. Saan naman tayo ngayon, ma'am? Nag-7 p.m. but still there. At 1 lang isa. Okay po. Ano yung po ba? Sa casino and sa other restaurants. Okay po. Wow, baka gusto niyo serving cake, let's cake tonight.
Ano ba yung ano yan? Parang kalawangin na yung lalagyan. Ano sign na yun?
Baby, sa'yo yun. Yung parang tile.
Don't you know love? Oh my God! Dapat lang.
Ikaw yung matambag-tambag.
Sa hapon na halos kasi dahil ito na pagkita, yung may nagbawa na. Hot fresh water. What? So good. Oh, cigarette. Sorry kaya? May bayad yata, ma'am. And then they have the premium drinks. So they have color, Hennessy, Blue Label, open, nice color. That's good. There are mga, oh, there's a shop here.
Punta na kayo mamaya, guys. Gay night. Tapos meron kaming promo. Ano yung promo natin?
Buy one, get one sa tower, 999.
They have a price of $900. Oh, these are the, oh, what's that?
Ano?
Oh my God.
999.
Buy one, get one na tower. Oh, guys. Dalawang tower sa halagang
999.
999.
Ano yun guys? Choices lang ng ano. Baby girl kasi tsaka one and only Pabi.
Thank you, love.
Dalawang tower na yun. From 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. po.
Uy, crush na crush ka ni, ni Mr. Cupidos.
Guys, buy one get one tower. Yung siya. Nakupido na ako dati. Guys, buy one get one yung tower 999. Tapos yung beer po natin, buy 10 get 2 free bottle ng beer. May laman po. May laman yung bottle Imagine naman, may free kang bottle, may laman pa. O, diba? Bibili ka ng 10 bottle, may dalawa ka ng libreng bottle. Tapos imagine mo yung bottle, may laman. O, diba? Imagine mo lang. Bale, yun. Nakalibre ko yung 2 bote na may laman. Punta na kayo mamaya. 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. lang po ang ating promo, ha. Buy one, get one sa tower. Baby Girl Cassie and one and only Pabi lang po. Tapos buy 10, get 2 bottle ng beers. From 7 p.m. to 11. Thank you, love.
Princess Bartolome, 26.
Dapat pinigay mo na din yung birthday ko.
Tinatanong mo eh.
Guys, umalis na yung bot.
Ba't mo tinatanong, Mr. Cupido? Thank you, Saddam. Crush ka niya. Saddam, thank you.
Open the
To the fire.
Because of custom declaration, they cannot fill anytime.
Punta na kayo mamaya, guys.
On board. But on board. When we're sailing, the whole time open. Kasi nasa port pa tayo. Okay. Nagsisilaw na ba tayo? Okay. So later it will be open na. Okay, thank you. So open na ng mga stores later. Kasi nagsisilaw na. As of now, we're still at the port. So bawal pa
Ay, sisig.
Okay. Where's the casino? Ano yung voucher dito? That's going.
Ito mga gitara, guys,
Kaya crush na crush ka niya, pinapakita mo yung kiligili mo eh.
To the gym, like my favorite place. The gym.
Pamatay yung gym niyo po.
Yung gym ko? Walang time yun. Anytime. Hindi ako pupunta doon. Okay, let's go.
Yung gym niyo sa bed.
Sa bed. Tapos nag-chuchu.
Yan yung gym niya.
Thank you, happy girl. Thank you, love.
Yan.
And guys, tapos may chips.
Yan yung gym niya.
Tingnan mo, kahit sa talaga tulog eh.
Okay?
Naglalakad na yung buhok mo.
Yung tali, may tali nga pala si Yuki, ay si Yuri, tsaka si Yubo, yun sa baba. Kaso siguro kay Yuki yun, para dito na lang siya itali sa Dito na lang itali yung sa lamesa.
Casino is closed.
Para di siya nakakalayo, at least nasa labas siya.
Casino is closed.
Hi, we're sharing. Okay, let's go to the
Okay. So, okay, this is the spa.
Thank you.
Sagara
Maandar
Spa.
sila, Bo.
Where's the gym?
Maandar.
Okay, where? Left or right?
No.
Left or right? So, okay, we all saw
Thank you, love.
Hello.
sauna babe. There, looks so nice, huh? Stick with the steam sauna.
Hello.
And, okay, my favorite place, fitness center. Wow, somebody's there.
Ay,
So I can take a video.
asan kayo?
The saunas is wet and dry.
Nikos?
Beauty salon here. Oh, can have your nails done.
Wala kayong signal na
I
eh.
have my leg gel removed. Are you Pinay?
Job na guys, maganda rin ako niyan.
Wow.
Mamaya ako
They have
mag-live
breast
ulit.
like fillers.
Mababaw lang ba yan, Nay?
Like medicine.
Yeah, that is really.
So they have like nail salon here, and of course salon. Okay, hi Kerastas, of course right here, Kerastas. Hi Nikki.
Mababaw?
Sagara Beauty Salon. So they have beauty salon.
Mababaw lang, Nay?
And they have spa.
Thank you, love.
And they have
Thank you,
fitness
sir.
center.
Mababaw lang?
Look, nakaharang ka sa daan ko. Nandiyan na si Sir.
Salt Kitchen, Japanese restaurant.
Galing, nasuzoom din yung
Japanese- Okay, Salt Kitchen,
Pangit na
Japanese
cellphone ko.
restaurant. Okay, we're eating here tonight. Oh, this is the Japanese restaurant.
Hindi po sagi, kahit sino po pwede po pumunta. May promo po kami. Yun nga, 2 towers for only 999.
Kami kanina doon sa
And free shots sa lahat ng gay. Free shots.
Na-moving na! Trees of Greece.
May
Now
mahina yung
moving
signal
the
mo.
boat going to the destination of Italy. We'll have dinner here tonight.
Thank you,
So, okay,
sir.
this is our table. Okay, we're here na. Oh, lot. Okay ka na. Okay
May
na yung
mahina
outfit mo.
signal mo, Nay.
Yeah, I
So, okay, look how.
found you.
Ano
Nasa
sa
bahay.
kain mo?
Mahina yung signal mo.
Sa desk.
Thank you,
Kaya
sir.
na lang. Mag-ano mo na kayo. Enjoy mo na kayo dyan.
Shut if you down, I'm down too.
Mahina signal eh.
Where's the next destination? What did you say?
Dictionary.
Binabantayan niyo, Nay. Baka magkamali.
Santorini pala. Sorry ka.
Mababaw naman ba? Mababaw?
Dictionary.
Dictionary. Okay, what are you? We will have dinner here. So, lot. Okay, sit down there.
Eh, tanggap mo.
Lot.
Sige na yung masyadong pagbaba yung likod niya.
Ay gosh, from kahapon, super gutom ka, now bumabawi ka, no? We've got nag-drive, nag-request.
Sige na, hindi ka na makailangan.
Okay, stable.
Hindi ka mas
Lot, sobra ka na, ha?
Sinasin
Okay,
lang.
baka ilan
Kayo guys,
end of
mamaya.
the trip, sobrang may plus mga ano ka, 10 kilograms.
Ay, sige na.
So, okay.
Hindi ka makita maayos.
Dessert naman.
Sige na,
Dessert
ako.
yung dessert. Oh my God. What's that? And there's another one here. Hello, guys. Hello. Hi, Javier. Hi. Hello. Come on, you go.
Si Lola.
Let's have a look.
Extra effort ka pa rin kasi napkin mo bitin. Switch to Whisper Breathable Nights. Longer, wider, with deep multi-bus channels. Sa isang night napkin, mas may coverage ka with 2 regular napkins. Higa lang, girl.
Oh, these two. Just drinking water or vodka? Water. These two.
Wanna sleep now the next side, so let's see for the first day. Oh my gosh.
Maganda muna ako, guys. Papahinga muna.
Okay, let's go to the overs.
Thank you, love. Punta na kayo mamaya, guys, ha. Thank you. Bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Mali. Thank you, guys. See you later. Bye.